Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo booth heart effect on PicsArt. So if you want to know the steps, just follow this video until the end. So I'm going to open the PicsArt app first. And then here, just click on the plus icon at the bottom and then choose the photo that you want to edit. So for example, I want to use this photo and I want to add the heart photo booth heart effect at the top of the head. So just swipe the menu at the bottom until you find the sticker menu and then click on that and search. Click on the search column and click on the keyword photo booth heart and then click on search, and then here you can choose the heart that you want to add it to your photo. For example, I want to add this one, and then you just need to adjust the position on top of the head just like this. You can also make it small or make it big just like that. And then if you want to save the picture, just click on this check icon first and then click on save at the top. Okay, so just like that, the photo has been saved into your gallery and you can just use it as you like. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.